Hi everyone. Today I'll show you how to make the invoice formatting in the QuickBooks, which is very important for the businessman or someone working in the company. And we are having so much problem for the setting up the invoices. And QuickBooks has given these fantastic features, already available in all QuickBooks. So I'll suggest you go to the QuickBooks and set your lucrative invoice format for the customers. So you have a good performance. Your performance is depending on your image. The images comes from your invoice formatting, your company getup, in all the way you can set it up. Let's go to set format your invoice yourself. One by one, you can go with me and you can find out exactly. You don't need to get the help from anyone else. Let's start it now. We are in the QuickBooks right now. I'll click on create invoices here. Then this is the invoices you have in the QuickBooks. If you see here, so many formats templates here. So if you have created, then it will show like this copy Intuit services. Other than this, if you see normal Intuit service invoices, so click on it, and any item you can click on it. Click here. So let's start it here. So if you see invoice format here, you can go here and see the preview. So this is your invoice format. So keep remember this is the template you are using in your QuickBooks, which is very erratic model, and which is not good for any company. And here see this invoices left alignment not there here, and only bill to you can put the name in the box, but here no alignment. The company name is here. It's not a colorful, and also here is no logo showing, and also you want to mention some more boxes here, or you want to remove these boxes from here, you can do that. And also you can color here and here and here. See overall here dates and invoices, you want to make a colorful invoice format here. So I'll show you one invoice here. Now I made it already, how it looks like. This is the one. Okay, see now I will go to the preview, then see how it is looking like. See how it is. Now here company name, McRobot as FZD, whatever your company name, you can put it here, and then you can just put your address. It looks like this, and invoice is colorful, and date and invoices, it's a little bit bigger size. I made it, and then I made it left alignment. And here also for the customers, I put in the big area, so customers name, TRN number. Although no needed this much big area, but still you can do it for your beautiness of your invoice template. And also serial number and description state, I made it a gray color according to this this box. So if you come down, I made a color here also. I just kept a similar color, almost similar color with this invoice here. See, you can make your logo related branding color also here. So, and here bank address I have put it. In previous template there was no bank address, and also here signature I set, and then also the total all fonts I made it my favorite like Tahoma format, Tahoma font. So which is I like most. I use in all the reports, and here I will go back and show you how to make it. Okay. I'm now in the invoice format. Now here, if you see here main and then formatting, here in the same place, if you see formatting here, click on the formatting, then come to down and then right, customize data layout here. If you click here, all the formats coming here. Anyway, I need to go back to the old format, then I will show you. This is the new format. I have to change here. Then Intuit invoice services here. If I click here, then the old are coming. Now I'm going to the customize the layout format. Okay, So let's make a copy. Then it will give you, independent format. So you can use it how you want. Okay, let's then come down to the layout designer. Then if you come to the designer, then it will show here all the designs here, how it made, and it is the row level. You can change it wherever you want. Okay, let's start it very quickly. I will start from the top. Okay, this one invoice. Let's make it 20. What is the size we have here? Let's see the font color here. You can change the font, and if I'm just going ahead as it is, serial. Okay, 21 we have, make it 25. Okay, it will be, or 26. So, and also color, you change the color like this. Okay, in the green color I'm making, how I made that one. Okay, green color. Then also we can make it bold. Bold, for bold, go to here, font, and then click on the Arial rounded bold, and then also okay. Yeah, so your invoice name is ready. Now your date, make it little alignment here, put it down, and then also this one. I am just taking this in the old shape. I'm just correcting here only. Everything you can do, whatever you like. See here, this is, I'm just making little bit bigger this box, and this one also I have to make little bit bigger, and then this one, date also. Okay, yeah, no, yeah, see, now make it more beautiful, more accurate. Okay, now this area is okay. Now this invoice you can bring it into the frame here. Okay, done. And also let's come to the left side, put your company name here. If you want logo, put the logo here. Okay, logo, I'll come back to you later on for the logo, how to add the logo. And then this is the address. I will go to left side here. No, take it right, be in the frame, bill to, rather than bill to, you can write like invoice to, like this, invoice to. So that is more good. So you can make this one color also. I like to make a different color for this one. Okay, make it invoice color, black. You can make this one him. Okay, then here click. Okay, done. Online is not good for here, so make change the font color, make it bold, make 12, then yeah, okay, now it will come more good way. This is the one customer area, so customer address and all. I like to make it big. Okay, I like to put a color here. Background color, fill the background. I put it the gray color. I'll put the same way now I have done here, gray color. Okay, this is the gray color I'm putting here, and then come to here, PO number, sample, terms, project, and let it be little bit left side, because right side I don't want to cross the boundary. Okay, and here if you see, it's easy, very easy. Then take it right, and then here, okay, here, okay, all right, done. So this is in the alignment. Let's see how it is. Go up. Okay, make this also in the frame. Yeah. Now it looks more beautiful. Make this one also colorful, so it will be looks good. Yeah. Not font color, I'm making the background color. Background color is here. Same like gray color I'm just doing. Gray color. Same I will do for here also. Background color. Okay. I do it for all. Background color. Okay, this one fine. Now let's go down. Here also we can make a different color also if you like, or if you like same color also okay. I tried to make it a little up because I need to put the bank detail down. I'm just putting more up. Okay, and then this one also you have to take it up. Where this one, which alignment we have to look at that. Okay, then here this one go up. I make this one also up. Okay, it looks now very good. And so your total figure, and here is see overlap coming. You just change it to left. Okay, now it is I think good. This one also you have to take it right. Just select drag right. Okay, a little bit more. Done. This one also a little bit right. Okay, done. So I see this text is different thing. Total and total amount is same font, same size. Make the same size here and make it 12. And time Roman, this one is okay. Was this one? What is that font? Arial around it. Arial around it. If you use Arial around it 16, make that one also Arial around it 16. Okay, Arial around it 16. Around it 16. Arial around it 16. Okay. So now here see how it is looking. This one you have to make little bit bigger size. If you see red column, you can take it left and make it little shrink here, not fully. Take this on left. Okay, and here. Okay, little bit big size, but very big now. Make it little smaller till here. Okay, total, total is coming, and this one you can make overlap to here. Okay, that's all. So make the bank detail here. Text box. Put the text box. Then write your bank name, RAK Bank. Then tourist club area, Abu Dhabi. Account number, account name, and then SWIFT code, and then routing code, and also IBAN number. You can put it left, right, however you want. You can put it, no problem. So like this, I can make it up box here. Bring this box at left or down here. Make it bigger size, almost half of the pages. And then take them at left side. Then it's here, and then put your signature here. Add a box here. Like you can take it image directly. Image you can put it here. Okay, I took image from here. First image. Okay, then before that you need to put your company name here. If you add the text box here, let's say your company name. Let's say ABC Middle East LLC. Then you see here ABC Middle East. Yeah. So now you can set this at left and center bottom, vertically bottom. Then it's here. So now add your signature here. You can add your signature, image. So image is here. Image is here. Put your signature here. Don't worry about this white color. So ultimately the invoice will print on the white paper. And then you add your stamp here. Image. This is your stamp. Okay. Put anywhere in the system. And then almost done. And add your logo here also. Add image. So all logo here. I can add. Top left or right or middle you want, whatever. I like to put at the left side at corner. If you like middle, you can put in middle also. That is also looks good. Okay, this time I'm putting in the middle. Okay, and then now, okay, I'm sending this company name here. Any company name you can put. Robert Associates FJD. Okay, so this font you can make it bold also. Bold corner, Arial rounded, MIT, bold, make it 12. So this is the. So that's all. You have got now very nice and fantastic invoice format in your hand. So if you go now, click OK. Now see your template ready, invoice format, how it looks like. So this one you can drag it right and make it correct. Okay, I'll do it for you now. Let's see. Let's go to the designer page again. So make this box little bit bigger. Okay, and also alignment. Be careful about the alignment. Make it same. Okay, then now done. See how it looks like. Yes, now it's fantastic. Your invoice format is ready. Alright, thank you very much for watching this one. If you want more like this video, just